Are we in the shot? Yay! It's Danner. It's Danner at yeah, Danner's Automotive, DBA Auto Perfection. How's that? Crank, run, stall.
Yes.
After getting fuel, and we didn't have the camera on. I just want to show you what we did. We actually checked fuel pressure. The customer's complaint was
it just wouldn't start after.
Wouldn't start after he got gas, and so we put a fuel pressure gauge on it. Joe, can you crank that real quick? It was super quick. Yep. Ah, we disturbed it. Shut the key off. Was the key already on, Joe? When you started, it was not.
It might be too late.
Go ahead. Ah, damn it. All right.
Fine.
Scratch that.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, what we were going to show you guys was debris in this MAF. We unplugged it, and the vehicle started up fine. Let me see the inside of that real quick.
I don't know if you can see down in there. I'm going to pull it out. I'll get a Torx and pull it out. Can you see down in there? So how did you find out the first time? With no code, maybe?
How did I find out? I just, it was only a,
Yeah, when I need to see some rust to that.
it was just on a whim, Danner, a start run stall with a MAF issue. And only because I just dealt with one. It was just to put in default strategy and maybe it'll work. There was no other logic involved other than...
That's pretty much all you did.
That's, yeah, well, sometimes you get lucky. But we were laughing because it was a stink bug. It was like a remake of a video.
That was done here.
Yeah, it was done here.
Your father-in-law.
It was my father-in-law.
And we were talking about the stink bug.
Go ahead, Joe. I think when you pulled that out the first time, the reason we weren't able to recreate it is
probably
moved it. Yeah. So we got to look at that air filter real close too and see if there's a
hole in it.
Was it not seated right?
Like how? Right now, where did it? These weren't in there. The tabs.
The tabs weren't
on top.
There you go.
It was sucking that way.
There. Water put an air filter.
Is the debris?
Dude, it's gone.
So what happened, just to reiterate, because we'll probably still use this, is the debris that was in there, as soon as we moved it.
You can see a leg in there. There's like a little piece of hair.
Let me see. Maybe it'll show on a bigger screen. But there was a bug in there. And when we disturbed it, we knocked it out. And so the reason that worked by unplugging it is we put the car in a default strategy where it didn't use the MAF, and unfortunately we weren't able to recreate it. Joe's got some cleaner in his hand for you.
I'm just wondering if he's still in this part, because it kind of wraps around.
Let's just clean it, get him out of here. Just kind of stinks we missed that moment.
I know. I was excited.
That's why we don't have the camera. You're supposed to have the camera on all the time.
I was looking for remnants.
What's that?
I was looking for remnants.
I wanted you to talk with the light in your mouth.
I left the, following me around.
Because I'm cameraman.
Man, I so wanted to capture that.
Well, we missed it, but this will be a nice little Facebook post of Danner's new shop, right?
Yeah.
This is where we want to bring our stuff. Danner's Automotive, LLC, yes?
Danner's Automotive.
Joe, my former boss, a former owner of this business, who's stepping out in a couple of weeks. Sometimes you get lucky.
I'll take lucky today.
Yeah.
I'm crazy today.
I got to pull that boot off and dump it and see if that bug didn't make it the whole way through yet.
It'll be all right. It's pulling that way. It's pulling that way. It'll consume it.
Melt.
Go past the valve and it'll go out the tailpipe.
That's
this,
why.
This could have been it right here.
Yeah.
I saw something brown in there.
Yeah.
I thought it
I
was
just
a
pulled
bug.
picked off a little stick about a quarter-inch long or half an inch long.
And that debris that debris shouldn't be on the top. That's because
No.
it wasn't seated properly.
The house
there's grass and shit.
There's 2 tags on the house. You can block it in and block it down.
All right, cool. I'm wrapping this up, Danner. The car's gonna run. It ran before. So yeah, come to Bethel Park
The lid was
and check out my brother's shop. Formerly Auto Perfection, now Danner's Automotive. So that's pretty cool. Today is my first day too. Let me show you guys something. Today is the first day I brought all my equipment here, so this is where I'm going to be hanging out. And I had a recent request of going through all my stuff to show you guys, you know, what I have and things like that. And I'll have to do that for you because I kind of have it all in one place for the first time. So more to come for sure from this location. You guys are going to see a lot more of my brother as well. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.